Struggling to see what you're doing in your garage? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Aoric LED Garage Lights. Let's kick things off with the Aoric LED Garage Lights. Priced at just $24.99, this setup caught my eye with its unique 6+1 deformable panel design. If you want super bright illumination that covers every corner of your garage, this is worth a serious look. These lights boast an impressive 18,000 lumens output with a color temperature of 6500 K, mimicking daylight. That means you'll have a clear view of everything you need, whether you're working on a project or searching for tools. The adjustable panels can be angled from 0 to 90 degrees, ensuring full coverage and eliminating any dark spots in your garage. Plus, with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, you're investing in long-lasting lighting. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. You know that frustration of tripping over stuff in the dark? With these lights, that's a thing of the past. The energy-saving design cuts down your electricity bill by over 85%, which is great if you're using them frequently. They've already sold over 4,000 units this month, so people are clearly loving it. Some users have mentioned the lights being a bit too bright for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if your garage is modest in size, simply angle the panels away from the walls to diffuse the light better, making it manageable. This is perfect for you if you need a bright solution for larger garages or workshops. Skip this one if your space is small and you're sensitive to bright lights. Overall, this is a solid pick for the value. Now, if the brightness of the Aoric bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its ultra-bright output. Product number 2. Polar Pro 32000 LM Garage Lights. The Polar Pro 32000 LM Garage Lights retailing at $35.99. What caught my attention here is its super bright 32,000 lumens output, which is no joke. If you really want to flood your garage with light, this one is a serious contender. This fixture uses 160 watts and features 6 deformable panels that can be adjusted to your needs. What that means for you is that those dark corners where you can never seem to find anything, not a problem anymore. Each panel is adjustable up to 90 degrees, allowing you to direct light exactly where you need it. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, you won't be changing bulbs anytime soon. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want to work efficiently in your garage without having to deal with flickering lights or dark spots. This light's 6500K daylight rating ensures you get clear visibility, and its energy efficiency can save you up to 85% compared to traditional bulbs. Plus, it's been flying off the shelves, over 4,000 sold last month. However, some buyers noted that the installation requires a bit of finesse. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. If you're not too handy, maybe keep the manual handy. This is great for anyone who needs high-quality lighting in larger spaces like warehouses or workshops. Skip this if you have a smaller area that doesn't require that much brightness. For the price, you're getting excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious folks. Product number 3. Makel's 80W Garage Light. Let's talk about the Makel's 80W Garage Light, which is just $7.99. Honestly, I was surprised at how affordable it is considering the features it packs. If you need something budget-friendly without sacrificing too much brightness, this is worth checking out. This light outputs 8,000 lumens, which is decent for smaller garages. The 3 adjustable panels can be angled from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to position the light to eliminate shadows. With a lifespan of up to 60,000 hours, it's designed to last. That's more than 10 years if used 8 hours a day. What's great about this option is its ease of installation. Just screw it into an E26 or E27 base and you're good to go. It's perfect for illuminating tight spaces without breaking the bank. Some users have pointed out that it might not be bright enough for larger garages or workshops. Here's the thing. If your space is on the larger side, you might want to consider combining a couple of these to achieve the brightness you need. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want to light up a small to moderate space. Skip this if you have a very large garage that requires powerful lighting. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you liked the idea of adjustable panels but want even more brightness, let's move on to the next product. Product number 4, Autel's 200-watt garage light. The Autel's 200-watt garage light, available for $24.98, caught my attention with its powerful 20,000 lumens output. If you're looking for impressive brightness combined with versatility, this is a solid pick. The 6+1 deformable panels not only provide adjustability, but also enhance the lighting distribution. You can easily aim each panel to ensure every corner of your garage is illuminated. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need reliable lighting where you can see clearly while working on your projects, and this light delivers that without any dark spots. The energy-efficient design can save you a ton on electricity, which is a bonus. Some reviews mention that the mounting can be tricky. Here's the thing. Once you get the first one up, installing the rest becomes a breeze. Just take your time and follow the instructions. This is perfect for you if you're working in a larger garage or workshop and need adjustable brightness. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra simple that's just a plug-in. The value here is definitely impressive. Now, if you really want to go all out with your garage lighting, the next one is the one you'll want to see. Product number 5, Polar Pro 40,000 LM garage lights. Priced at $39.99, this is serious lighting power with 40,000 lumens, and if brightness is your top priority, you'll want to stay tuned. With 200-watt output and 8 deformable panels, this light can illuminate any garage, barn, or workshop. The panels adjust up to 90 degrees, helping you target specific areas for maximum visibility. It's designed for efficiency too, saving up to 85% on energy costs compared to traditional lighting. What's great about this light is its ability to transform a dark space into a brightly lit area, allowing you to work comfortably. The lifespan of 50,000 hours ensures you won't be replacing bulbs anytime soon. However, some users have found the light to be blindingly bright, especially in smaller spaces. Here's the thing, you can always angle the panels or adjust your usage depending on your needs. This is perfect for you if you have a large garage or workspace that requires maximum brightness. Skip this if you have a small garage and prefer softer lighting. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment. So there you have it, a lineup of fantastic garage lighting options that can fit a variety of needs. We've covered 5 excellent garage lighting options: the Aortic, Polar Pro 32,000 LM, MyKeels, Autel's, and Polar Pro 40,000 LM. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Polar Pro 40,000 LM because it delivers unmatched brightness for larger spaces, making it ideal for serious projects. But I definitely avoid the MyKeels if you have a bigger garage, as it may not provide enough light for your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.